Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Coming alongside. This one has memory seats, power windows. Hopping in. We've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go and start it up. A rear view backup camera. A nice dark wood trim. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats, dual climate controls. This CLA 250 has 30,640 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.